Hello and welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Here's our question for today. How long should I wait to get better before I go to a professional guitar coach? I am very happy for this question because it's one of the greatest misconceptions about guitar coaching and about learning to play the guitar. So let's see if I can help clarify this thing a little bit. In simple terms and in few words, don't wait. Waiting and doing things and learning things by yourself will only add a lot of stuff in the list of things you will need to unlearn when you go to a guitar coach. It's very important to understand that a guitar coach's business work is not his to see you after you have tried for many years to learn by yourself and then tell you, great, you did a good job, or tell you, you suck. The ultimate goal is for the guitar coach to help you save a lot of time, preferably several years out of your practice. Which means that you should go to him as early as possible so that you can use these years to actually get better without having some random obstacles that you might put in your own way without understanding that you did so. I've heard this from many people. In several cases, they wait to try things out by themselves and then until they feel good enough to go to a guitar coach. And this is exactly the opposite. You go to a guitar coach to become good, not after you have become good so that he will tell you how good you have become. I hope this makes sense because this is a very sensitive issue and something that I have seen many times in my work. Imagine I've seen several people that tell me that they wanted to come study with me like from 8 or 10 years ago, but they didn't feel they were good enough. So they waited to learn some stuff by themselves and came to me like 8 or 10 years later. And this is like, no, this is exactly the opposite. You should have come 8 years before so that you don't have to learn things slowly and by yourself, but learn them in an optimum way and in a very fast way. So to clarify, don't wait. Go as early as possible or as early as you can afford that. This will seriously diminish any kind of day one mistakes, which are the mistakes that you make when you first start playing and you don't know that you're making these mistakes. Because you see the materials, you play them, the materials that you have found on the internet, on YouTube, you play them and you don't know you're doing something wrong. So the earlier you go to a guitar coach, the better. Ideally, once you have been playing 6 to 12 months, you should go to a guitar coach and let him help you and design your practice schedule and give you feedback with everything you need and help you reach your music goals. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Have fun shredding.